Good morning, guys. So in today's video I'm going to share my real life authentic 100% realistic 7 a.m. productive morning routine. And to be honest, guys, I'm not always an early morning person all the time, but when it comes to Mondays and early in the week, I try to start my day very early because I noticed I get a lot accomplished earlier in the week than later. And of course, guess who always wakes me up every morning? Mr. Ace. He joins us on our bed for breastfeeding early in the morning once Hubby wakes us up for our morning devotion. And Hubby usually wakes up around 6 a.m. or sometimes 6:30. So I usually go back to sleep and then wake up at 7. And of course, first thing I always do is head down to the bathroom to wash my face because I'm always very sleepy, guys. Like if you leave me, I can sleep till 5 p.m. So, I literally have to drag myself out of bed, and the first thing I always love to do is to go ahead and just wash my face, kind of do a mini skincare. I always like to go in with my cleanser, just wash my face. And also washing your face once you wake up actually helps get rid of sleep. Like I remember back in Nigeria, right, my grandma, she will always tell you once she wakes us up in the morning, she will be like, go and wash your face so you stop sleeping. All right, so once I wash my face, next thing is to go ahead and brush my teeth. And guys, I'm currently using this electric toothbrush from Teeth. I've heard about electric toothbrush benefits for years and thought to try this out because, of course, investing in a good toothbrush prevents you from going to the dentist, which 100% costs more than your toothbrush. And not only that, going to the dentist can be very scary and painful. And I've also had my own personal experience with dentists, and each visit can cost from $100 and up. And actually, my current dentist has suggested I buy an electric toothbrush from her office, but of course I had to do my own research to find the best out there because I wanted an electric toothbrush that can serve different purposes like long-lasting battery life. I don't want it to die on me while I'm brushing my teeth, or like always having to charge my brush every day. And this one right here lasts for 4 weeks once you fully charge it. So this toothbrush comes with 3 medium soft brushes and also comes with a charger. It has 3 different modes, so you can set it depending on your preference. You can use the sensitive mode for, beginners. And I personally love the sensitive mode because it's so soft, it's so calming. Like it literally feels as if you're having a gum spa, but then at the same time, it gives your teeth a very nice deep cleaning. It also has the clean mode for when you need an intense cleaning, especially when you've, had maybe colored beverages like coffee. And then the white mode, which is for whitening. It also comes with a timer. And one of the reasons I absolutely love this brand is the fact that they offer a 30-day return. So in case if you buy it and you don't like it, you can always return. And also they offer a 1-year warranty. And of course, I was able to get a discount code for you guys from the brand. You can definitely use 30 Omabelletv for a 30% discount. And this offer is valid till the end of August. So I like to go down quickly to the kitchen and fix myself a cup of tea. And for my tea, of course, I'm using lemon and honey. I actually love to use fresh lemon, but I didn't have fresh lemon in the house, so I decided to use kind of a squeezed lemon. You just buy it from the supermarket. And you guys, like drinking something hot in the morning, like if I'm not drinking maybe coffee or drinking kind of chocolate and milk, this is my best bet because it kind of just helps my system wake up. You know how sometimes when you wake up and your system still feels kind of weak and it just wants to continue to sleep, but of course going in with a cup of warm or hot tea just helps to kind of warm up your inside. And once I've gotten my tea, I head down to my studio. This is where I now have the time to kind of look at out what I have to do for the day. And also sometimes I get emails, you know, in the night, because I always check my email in the morning and also at night. So, you know, this is the time I have to kind of check my email. But of course, my computer, I don't know. Angel actually used it last night and messed it up. Like, I had to go ahead and wipe the screen. Like, these children, when they ask me for my computer and I say no, it's as if I don't want to give them. But yeah, once they handle my computer, that's it. You will always see stains on it. But anyways, I just take out this time to, you know, just check anything. If there's anything, you know, that I need to remember to do, I just do it. But while I was kind of going through my to do, you know, for the day, I realized my hands were ashy. Like, guys, even my feet, I was just looking at the video while editing it. My feet, when I woke up in the morning, was ashy. Normally, when I'm kind of filming, this should show you guys how authentic and realistic this is, because normally before I even come on camera, I always have to make sure my hands are moisturized, my feet, my hair is looking on point. You know, I like to apply lip gloss, maybe apply powder, just make sure I'm all put together. But guys, like, when you wake up from bed, those are the least things you thought you care about. All of us have our sleep phase. So I don't want to hear anything. Omabel, you're ugly. I know I'm ugly when I wake up from bed. So it's nothing new. Nobody is flawless when they wake up from bed, apart from Beyonce, according to her. I wake up flawless. But well, once I'm done, you know, with planning out my day and, you know, just making sure I'm on point with everything I have to do, I head up to fix breakfast, because by now the twins are awake. So I have to fix something for them and also for myself. Sometimes if hubby is around, I will also fix breakfast for him. But for today, I'm just fixing breakfast for I and the twins. And I decided to make a bread toast. This right here, guys, the twins absolutely love some bread toast. What I used to do with is some sardine and mayonnaise. I like to add sardine inside a plate, mayonnaise, and then I use this it's not baking tray. What is this called again? I've forgotten the name, but I like to go ahead and spray some olive oil inside. What is this called again? It's not an oven. I've forgotten the name, guys. By the time I probably upload this video, I'll remember the name, but I forgot it right now. So I just go ahead and spread the sardine, you know, on the bread, and then go ahead and put it inside that machine. What is that? That is not an oven. I hate it when I'm doing voiceover and then, like, I can't remember name of things. It's so annoying. But of course, I know I have darlings, you know, because most times you guys always kind of leave me a comment to remind me the name of what I was trying to say in the video. So please remind me the name. I actually know the name, but I absolutely forget, like, I can't remember it right now. So I just go ahead and add the bread toast inside the machine, cover it up. This right here gives, like, you know, when you have a very plain, annoying, tasteless bread, right? If you go ahead and toast your bread, guys, no matter how bad and how not tasty the bread is, it would always come out. Look at this, like, it just gives it that very nice crunchy, you know, taste when you're eating the bread. So this is exactly what we are having for breakfast. Did I say dinner or breakfast? I don't even know, guys. But yeah, once I'm done having my breakfast, by now Ace is awake, so I usually just go ahead and feed him. Ace loves his Cerelac, so I go ahead and just, you know, feed him his food. As you all can see, he downed that whole plate. I only just showed a little clip of me feeding him, but Ace doesn't joke with his Cerelac at all. He downed the whole plate. And once I'm done with Ace, I go down to the kitchen to kind of clear out the dishes I used in making breakfast. And thank God for my dishwasher, guys. Before, I would just go ahead and start washing, but all I have to do is I like to kind of go in and rinse out the things, you know, before then adding them to my dishwasher to wash. Like this dishwasher, before I was very, very lazy using dishwashers, because I always be like, you still have to rinse out the dishes, you know, before adding it into the dishwasher. But no, guys, like, using your dishwasher is actually a blessing, because it does a thorough clean for you, and also it kind of sterilizes your utensils and your plates, your cups, so you can never go wrong with, you know, using your dishwasher. honestly guys, I feel much better and I feel more productive whenever I go ahead and kind of get out my morning chores, you know, out of the way before then facing my day. So of course I like to go ahead and make up the bed, make sure, you know, the house is clean, the kitchen, everywhere is clean. So by the time I start working, if it's days I'm gonna film, at least I know, okay, you know, the house is clean. And also, even sometimes before I start filming, I also cook lunch. So it all depends. If I don't batch cook, I just cook lunch. But anyways guys, I made up the bed, and also when I had to give Mr. Ace a bathe because it's summer and you know everybody tends to be hot during summer, so I try as much as possible to bathe him. And I also went ahead to have my shower, you know, and then once I'm done with that, I just go ahead and get ready for the day. Like I said, if it's days I'm gonna film, this is when I now get ready to film. You know, I set up my camera, set up my lighting, and if it's days I want to edit my videos, I now go over to my office section of my studio. This one is my closet section, and then the other area is my kind of my office slash my beauty area. So that is where I just go ahead, sit and edit my videos. And yep guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also check out my description box for info regarding teeth. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.